Right now, as you're watching this video, your body is doing something heroic. It is hunting down dangerous cells. Not once a year, not once a month, every single day. You have microscopic security guards roaming inside you, and their full-time job is stopping cancer before it even starts. You might not feel it. You don't hear alarms. There's no dramatic background music. But, trust me, there is a silent action movie happening inside you right now. Let's rewind and start with something simple. Your body is made of roughly 30 trillion cells. That is more cells than there are stars you can see in the night sky. And those cells don't just sit around forever. Many of them are constantly dividing to replace old or damaged ones. Skin cells flake off. Blood cells wear out. Gut cells live fast and die young. To replace them, cells copy themselves again and again. And every time a cell divides, it must copy its DNA. DNA is like an instruction manual that tells the cell how to work. But imagine rewriting a book that has billions of letters, perfectly, every single time, with no typos. Yeah, that's tough. Most of the time, cells copy DNA incredibly well. Biology is shockingly good at proofreading, but sometimes a tiny error sneaks in. A letter flips, a word changes, a sentence becomes unclear. Scientists call these changes mutations. That word sounds scary, but mutations are normal. They happen in everyone. They happen every day. Sunlight, chemicals, viruses, even normal metabolism can damage DNA a little bit. Your body is constantly fixing those mistakes. Think of it like autocorrect. But for biology, and most of the time, those errors are harmless. But sometimes, a mutation changes how a cell behaves. Maybe it grows too fast. Maybe it ignores stop signals. Maybe it refuses to die when it should. That's when things get interesting. Because your body does not let that slide. Your immune system is not just for fighting colds and flu. It is also a surveillance system, a patrol, a microscopic police force. Immune cells travel through your blood, and tissues checking EEDs, basically asking every cell, are you supposed to be here? Are you behaving normally? Are you following the rules? And if a cell looks suspicious, some of the most famous immune patrol cells are called natural killer cells. Yes, that is their actual scientific name. No marketing department involved. Scientists really went with natural killer. They, along with T cells and other immune defenders, inspect cells for strange proteins or warning signals on their surface. When they detect something off, they attack. They poke holes in the bad cell's membrane. They inject chemical signals. They call in backup. It's a microscopic takedown operation. And often, the bad cell never gets a chance to cause trouble. But that's not the only safety feature. Your body also gives cells a self-destruct button. It's called apoptosis. Fancy word. Simple idea. If a cell realizes its DNA is too damaged to fix, it activates a built-in shutdown program. The cell neatly breaks itself into pieces so other cells can clean it up. No explosion, no chaos, no drama, just polite biological resignation. Like, I've made some mistakes in life, and I will see myself out. Very mature. So between DNA repair crews, immune patrols, and self-destruct systems, most dangerous cells are eliminated before you ever notice. Which raises a big question. If our bodies are this good at preventing cancer, why does cancer happen at all? Excellent question. Sometimes a damaged cell gets lucky, or unlucky depending on your perspective. It mutates again in a way that helps it hide. It stops displaying the warning flags immune cells look for. It creates chemical shields. It surrounds itself with normal cells like camouflage. Sneaky. It's like someone wearing a fake mustache and sunglasses trying to sneak past security. And sometimes it works. The cell survives, then divides again. Now you have a tiny group of rule-breaking cells. Most of the time, the immune system still notices and wipes them out. But occasionally, the cells evolve faster than the immune response. They pile up mutations that help them grow faster, resist attacks, and steal nutrients. That growing mass of rebellious cells is what we call a tumor. Cancer isn't one single disease. It's a whole category of problems where cells stop obeying the normal rules of the body. Rules like grow only when told, stop when crowded, self-destruct if damaged, stay in your lane. Cancer cells ignore all of that. They're the worst roommates imaginable. Now let's shift to some good news, because this story is actually very hopeful. You help your immune system every day, probably without thinking about it. When you sleep enough, your body repairs tissues and regulates immune activity. When you move your body, blood flow improves and immune cells circulate more efficiently. When you eat fruits, vegetables, and protein, you give your cells the building blocks they need. When you avoid smoking, you reduce DNA damage. When you manage stress, well, your immune system thanks you for that one too. These things don't make anyone invincible, but they keep your defenses strong and alert. Think of it like keeping your security guards fed, caffeinated, and well-trained. Much better than having them half asleep leaning on the wall. For most of human history, people didn't know any of this was happening. Cancer was mysterious. Doctors couldn't see immune cells. Microscopes were limited. DNA hadn't been discovered yet, but modern science uncovered this hidden war inside us. Researchers started noticing immune cells inside tumors. They realized the body was already trying to fight back. That discovery led to new treatments called immunotherapies. Instead of attacking cancer directly, these treatments help remove the brakes from the immune system so it can attack more strongly. Basically, hey, immune system, you see that thing? Go get it. It's one of the most exciting areas of modern medicine. Now here's the mind-blowing part. You are not waiting for cancer. Your body is stopping it all the time, right now, as you breathe, as you blink, as you sit there. Cells make mistakes. DNA gets repaired. Immune cells patrol. Suspicious cells self-destruct over and over and over. Thousands, maybe millions, every day. You're running a microscopic action movie under your skin, and no popcorn included. If your immune system were visible, you'd clap for it, or send a thank you note, or give it a tiny gold star. So next time you heal from a scrape or shake off a cold, remember, your body is working nonstop behind the scenes, protecting you, watching you, cleaning up tiny disasters you never noticed. And if that blew your mind, like this video, subscribe for more, because the human body hides way more secrets than you think.